They're BCAAs.
Oh God, this is like the TikTok thing right now.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe people to this day are still saying, because all the research has shown.
Everyone drinks it while they're working out. They're like, you have to have your BCAAs.
But it's an incomplete protein.
It doesn't make sense.
On its own, it will do nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. Now, okay, if you happen, there is lysine, what is it? Lysine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, and isoleucine. Is that the 3 BCAAs?
I'm gonna nod and pretend.
Okay.
I think there's more than that.
I should know this. No, there's just 3.
Is there just 3?
I know there's 3, yeah.
Oh.
But it's mainly the oh my God, I should know this. Lysine, isn't it? Is that the big one? Lysine, leucine, and isoleucine. Leucine or lysine? Now I'm totally confused. I should look this up. I should totally look this up.
On this one.
I do know this, but anyway, I'm having a bit of a blank.
He's a fraud.
I should be able to see it on this, actually.
It's okay. We'll just say.
But anyway, the
branch chain amino.
So there is one amino acid that's really good for anabolic effects, but if you just take that on its own, it's not going to help.
I think leucine. No.
I don't know why I'm blanking.
This will be a clip in itself.
I know this will be if they want to show how terrible we are, this is the one to do. But look, anyway, whatever that amino acid is,
he's human too, folks.
It's really good. But you need it in conjunction with everything else, and it's only if that's low.
Yeah.
If you're taking incomplete proteins and then you take that in with it.
Lysine.
Yeah, lysine. That's the one, I think.
We worked through that. Well done.
Okay.
Well done.
So yeah, Ben helped us out there. So anyway, yeah, if you're low in that, or if you're taking an incomplete protein and you add that in, great. But this idea of just taking BCAAs and then it's just nonsense. It's been proven over and over again not to work. So you need
BCAAs not effective, EAAs effective.
Absolutely.
Good thing to add.
Yeah, for sure. So that's why this is something that I take myself. So free-form amino acids, all the 8 essential amino acids in optimal doses. That is awesome, because if you have any sort of digestive issues, and this is the big thing, you are not what you eat, you are what you absorb.
Oh.
So if you get in all your essential amino acids,
bite.
and they're free-form, which means they don't require digestion. So you're going to absorb every ounce of that protein. That's fantastic. So again, that would be the ideal. Now, it'd be expensive if you're trying to take 200 grams of that a day.
Yeah.
But it really is. I mean, if you want to be absolutely sure. Plus, again, if you're vegetarian or you don't want to take as much of the other higher quality proteins, then this will be fantastic.
Yeah.
It would really make a big difference. So I do love.
If money weren't an issue, would you drink that with your meals?
A little story for you, Connor. I have all these stories.
Oh my God!
I don't think you know this one.
Hold on. Didn't you say there was a time? This is coming up from like 5 years ago. Wasn't there a time where you set an alarm and you would wake up in the middle of the night every hour to scoop down some EAAs?
Yeah, when we worked in the supplement business, we tried everything. We just experimented like crazy. So
this is amazing.
Yeah, we thought this like, wow, essential amino acids, free form, right? And we would take these things on the hour throughout, because we thought if we can get our nitrogen levels up, constantly getting a fuel of amino acids 24/7, that's got to be something pretty awesome. So we used to take them on the hour, every hour.
24 hours a day.
Well, we'd wake up not every hour during the night, but like twice I used to wake up with the alarm, and then I'd have the alarm set. The old Casio watches, is showing my age. You probably don't even know what they are. And it would beep every hour for me to take my amino acids.
This is before you understood how important sleep was.
Yeah, definitely. 80 to 100 grams of essential amino acids a day.
Yeah.
Of free-form amino acids, should I say. And I did that for 2 weeks. And the one thing I noticed was I was like, the muscles became so rock solid. Like it was like almost concrete. Like they would just be so rock solid. So that's definitely something we noticed was that. So we experimented.
Yeah, before like circadian rhythm was cool.
That was like, sleep when I dead attitude, which was a terrible.
Lift weights and
so we definitely get some things wrong, and I was so wrong about the sleep thing. So when I was literally your age, but yeah, that was our attitude.
It's okay. That's all right. Okay, so EAAs are good. Add them in. Wake up every hour if you want. Maybe not. But yeah, take your EAAs.